DS단석 has focused on a sustainable future for a long time. Amid the depletion of resources, we prepare for a new leap forward by researching and developing eco-friendly energy and materials essential for the future, without fear of changes and challenges, based on eco-friendly technology and resource convergence, making a sustainable future with infinite possibilities. Global top-tier resource circulation energy company, DS단석 draws it. We started as Noble Chemical Industry Company in 1965. We have developed and manufactured PVC stabilizers to prevent deformation and improve processability of PVC. We changed the company name to Dansuk Industrial Company Limited in 1989. In 1995, we relocated our headquarters to Shihua Industrial Complex and secured large-scale production facilities and modernized research facilities. We, DS단석, have been consistently selected as an excellent company recognized by the Korean government and have strengthened our position on technology and potential. In 2007, we recognized the dependence on fossil fuel, a problem of today, and shifted our business focus to the biodiesel business. Also, we began to realize our dream of eco-friendly green growth through our business diversification by establishing renewable fuel, refined oil, and LDH plants one by one. And then, in order to secure future growth engines and grow as a global company, we operated the facilities of Bioenergy Plant 2 and 1 and established ourselves as a leading biodiesel company. In 2020, based on our solid industrial technology, we won the $200 million export tower. In 2022, we made a splendid achievement of making the first export of biomarine fuel to Europe, winning the $300 million export tower and recording sales of 1 trillion Korean won for the first time. DS단석, which has grown through endless challenges and innovation, was listed on the KOSPI in 2023 and was honored with the Order of Industrial Service Merit, Iron Tower in 2024. It successfully completed the construction of the lithium-ion battery recycling and HVO/PTU facilities, further solidifying its position as an eco-friendly technology company. In order to create unique values through eco-friendly technology and creative thinking, and to contribute to improving human happiness and quality of life, we continue to secure new growth engines and leap forward as a company specialized in an eco-friendly, virtuous cycle, leading to circular economy and ESG. DS단석. Eco-friendly energy in the core of future industries. Bioenergy business. Bioenergy has low greenhouse gas and exhaust gas emissions and biodegradability characteristics. Its importance as an eco-friendly fuel is increasing. Accordingly, DS단석 is promoting biodiesel, bioheavy oil, and biomarine fuel businesses with eco-friendly technologies. Biodiesel is an eco-friendly new and renewable raw material for transport and has characteristics similar to existing diesel. We are collecting 140,000 tons of used cooking oil annually and producing about 300,000 kiloliters of biodiesel, which is the largest production volume in Korea through refinement, neutralization reaction, and separation processes. We are the first company in Korea to secure the technologies to produce bioenergy from used cooking oil, methyl esters, fatty acid methyl esters, tallow methyl esters, and palm oil mill effluent methyl ester, etc. We also acquired overseas quality certifications and are exporting to the US, Europe, etc., accounting for more than 70% of the overseas export volume of biodiesel in Korea. We have expanded into next-generation HVO mass production and sustainable aviation fuel, and are now fully operating the HVO/PTU, essential for HVO and SAF production, leading the eco-friendly energy market. Establishment of circular economy system, battery recycling business. We are also focusing on the battery recycling business to continuously increase our enterprise value. We shatter collected waste batteries to remove electrolyte and separate, sort, dissolve, and put them into a reducing furnace. Then we refine them to produce recycled lead, which is supplied to a number of battery manufacturing companies. We are building a circular economy system for lead resource. For our copper business, we produce tough pitch copper, brass, cupro-nickel, and supply to processing companies. DS단석's LIB recycling plant in Gunsan has the capacity to process 8,000 tons of waste lithium-ion batteries per year and produce 5,000 tons of active materials annually. By applying the know-how gained from supplying secondary lead from used lead-acid batteries, we're advancing crushing, separation, and recycling processes for waste lithium-ion batteries, recovering lithium from black powder, and developing cathode precursors, thereby taking concrete steps in the lithium secondary battery market and unlocking future value. We are advancing the resource circulation business model with a more diversified metal material business. Strengthening competitiveness in future material business, plastic recycling business. The use of plastics has recently become more strict, and the size of the global PCR plastic market has grown more and more. So we are working to strengthen our competitiveness in the new future material business based on our initial core business, the PVC stabilizer business. In accordance with this, we are continuing our efforts to lead the plastics industry with an eco-friendly virtuous cycle structure through the development of PCR plastic technology as a carbon-neutral and sustainable future business at our fine chemicals Gunsan plant. It is used in various materials such as automobiles and home appliances. The DSPCR engineering plastic, which is a high-strength and lightweight high-performance plastic that can replace metal, is also widely used in precision industries such as automobiles, electricity and electronics, and mobile communications. We are also visualizing the PCR plastics business that completes a virtuous cycle of resource circulation through not only simple manufacturing, but also recycling and new material technology development tailored to the characteristics of each plastic for the future. Our subsidiary Hive plant in Wonju, Gangwon, is producing premium cooking oil based on strict production standards and contributing to the completion of our bioenergy virtuous cycle system. Our subsidiary DS Uil Bio Cheongyang plant supplies animal fats and oils, which are raw materials for biodiesel. The DS PCR Yeongcheon plant in Gyeongbuk is also leading the plastic recycling business and expanding its business scope by securing technologies for the next generation market. Meanwhile, the DS PCR Hamon plant is sourcing plastic raw materials from small waste electronics. In addition, by 2031, DS단석 plans to invest 1.09 trillion Korean won in a 231,404 square meter site within the Gunsan National Industrial Complex to establish a net zero complex producing HVO-based biodiesel, SAF, and bio-naphtha in phases. Also, we have established ourselves as a global resource circulation company by securing major global environmental players, the US and EU. We will stand at the center of change and innovation and take the lead as a company drawing an eco-friendly future. In addition, we aim to complete our unique circular economy system by establishing additional base plants in Korea and overseas and developing recycling, NCM, and LFP battery technologies, which are core materials for cathode materials. Through proactive investment, research and development, and flexible business strategies, DS단석 aims to secure future growth engines, expand the value chain of existing businesses, and emerge as a leading player in the resource circulation and energy industries through business diversification. A company should keep developing and contribute to society. We will establish ourselves as a global resource circulation company then further increase our domestic and international market shares by growing sustainably with an ESG management. DS단석, committed to sustainable resource circulation, is advancing toward a cleaner world based on the values of recycling, reduction, neutrality, and restoration, striving to become a global top-tier resource circulation energy company. Good cycle creator. Our innovations and challenges for eco-friendliness will continue. We make the sustainable future. DS단석.